Hey students, I'm coming to you today in the early evening. Actually, it's about 7:15 Central Time, on my back porch. It's really nice back here and really cool. I've been working all day on getting this next module done, week 3, and I think you're going to like it. Let's talk about what happened last week, things that were good. Number one, I'm really pleased with your work on Letter to the Editor. Each student got comments from me, extensive comments, I hope you think, on your document in the folder that we share together. The class average for that assignment was around 75%. I believe strongly in the writing process. So the writing process includes revision. In fact, I will submit something to my editor at the Chicago Tribune when I have an assignment, and I've always got to revise it. There has never been one time where I submitted something and they were like, "You're a genius, we're going to print it as is." There are always questions. There are always things I need to improve. And so, since I believe so strongly in the writing process, I allow my students, my English students at Latin, to revise everything they hand in. I'm extending the same thing to you. You have 1 week from today, that'll be Sunday night, to revise your piece based on the feedback that your classmates may have given you and the feedback I gave you. This is optional. You do not have to revise it if you don't want to. What will happen is I will regrade it, and then I will average the 2 grades. There is no possibility at all that you will receive a lower grade the second time. It's just not possible. The other thing I'm pleased with is the Skype meetings. I really had a lot of fun meeting you guys, and the worst part about it actually was trying to get through the technology. But I love the concept, and I'm going to do that again in another week or 2. I'll let you know. With different groups so you can meet each other, and we're going to do different groups and you're going to meet without me. I need your advice on that though. How am I supposed to grade that if I'm going to, and this is something to think about, how should I grade something that I'm not going to be attending? I want you to meet each other without the teacher being involved. So this week is a 50-point week. There are 50 points worth of assignments, and you're going to do 5 things. The first thing you're going to do is report on location. Because of the Skype video and because of the conversations that we've had together, I'm become just as interested in you personally as I am academically. So what I want you to do is create a very short video that shows you on location somewhere. Second thing you're going to do, you've got 2 journals due this week. It's a before and after journal. During both journals, you will be talking about your political ideologies. You'll write the first journal up front at first, thinking about where you fall in the political spectrum now, philosophical spectrum. And then after you do some reading, you're going to revisit it and examine if anything's changed. Then you're going to collaborate on research. I've placed you in groups where you will research philosophers on the internet and on different academic databases. It's up to you. I've placed you in groups and I've designated a group leader. I'm going to send that group leader the names of the philosophers you are to research. I need you to get together somehow and talk about, strategize how you're going to come up with these different pieces of research, these resources. You're going to use these resources when you do your final project this week, which is the philosopher as time traveler. You will take on the ideologies of an assigned philosopher, and you will give an opinion of a local issue or a global issue, but it has to be something current, in a 3 to 5 minute video. So the research that you're doing together as a group is going to help the entire class, and you don't know which philosopher you are yet, so it's important to make sure you do your best work during the research, so when it comes time to do the project, the final video, you'll be prepared and you will have plenty of resources from which to draw. Okay? I think that's it. I'm not going to make this too much longer. It's a very nice night out tonight, and I haven't eaten yet. So I'm going to sign off, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Again, there is no bother in emailing me. I like communicating with you, so let me know what you need, okay? And have a great week this week. Take care.